I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the key components: gold ingots, seared brick parts, and a functional smeltery. First, assemble a 3x3 seared brick base with a drain and 1-block height walls. This forms your smeltery floor. Place a seared tank next to it and connect with seared faucet and seared channel. Pour lava into the tank to heat the smeltery. This is crucial because molten gold requires steady heat. Once done, make sure your casting basin and table are set for molds. You now melt the gold, put ingots into the seared heater and let them liquefy. Monitor the tank. Molten gold appears as a bright yellow pool because consistency prevents defects. Position an ingot cast or a custom bed part cast under the faucet, then open the faucet to pour. Pour steadily. A hesitant pour creates bubbles or incomplete fills. Once the fluid drains and the cast cools naturally, extract the gold part carefully. Make sure to label parts so you can assemble them in the next step. You finish by assembling the cast pieces on the tinker's table or tool station. Slot parts together and use patterns to set modifiers as needed. This is where you control final stats and bedrock compatibility. Test the completed item for durability and behavior in a safe environment. If something breaks or doesn't meet bedrock requirements, first inspect smeltery temperature and impurity presence. Low heat or slag causes weak casts. If problems persist, remelt and repour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.